Beautiful looking nails with solar nails. Giving a new twist to artificial fingernails is the use of solar nails. Though more expensive, the use of these nails are definitely worth your money. Not only do they look natural despite the fact that they are artificial, they also last longer compared to cheaper varieties of artificial fingernails. Solar nails are the upgraded counterpart of acrylic or artificial nails. It is applied quite differently from acrylic nails. Where acrylic nails are placed on the nail bed, the solar variety are applied in a two-step process. The white tip is placed first, followed by the pink natural-looking artificial nail. Due to its appearance, solar variety nails commonly resemble a French manicure. There are a lot of advantages when you choose to have solar artificial nails applied. First of all, unlike artificial nails, these variety need to be refilled only once every 3 weeks. This is a more convenient option, especially if you cannot invest the time to constantly have your artificial nails refilled. Refilling your nails less often is also a much more economical choice. Tanning doesn't have to be a problem when you put on these upgraded artificial nails variety. Unlike acrylic nails that turn yellow when exposed to too much sun or radiation from tanning salon, solar nails do not turn yellow at all, making it look more appealing together with your perfectly tanned skin. This nail investment will surely not go to waste. Solar artificial nails are also known for their durability. They do not chip easily like acrylic nails. Since acrylic nails are applied on the nail beds, when the nail grows, the artificial nail has a tendency to break. With the solar variety, you get longer lasting nails. Another plus for solar artificial nails is that they do not possess the potential to damage your real nail. As these nails are not extensions like acrylic nails, it won't damage your real nails no matter how long you have the solar variety applied. There are a lot more advantages to solar artificial nails, such as a natural shine that does not require nail polish and the option of freehand designs on your newly applied nails. So choose wisely, because when beauty is on the line, solar nails will definitely not let you down.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.